Sean here, SCP Machine. I'm going to show how to set up a work offset on a CNC mill. Here's my edge finder. What this does is it spins and it kicks off like this a little bit when it touches the edge. And then this is 200 thousandths. So that tells me that I'm 100 thousandths away. Right when it kicks off. If you go any further than that, then you're going to be a little bit off. I'll show you how this goes. So you typically want to be around 1,000 RPMs. And now it's running, and when it kicks off, it goes like that. I'm going to jog her down here. I'm going to set the G54 offset. Kicked off. Ready to see. This right, no, X. Right. So I just copied this position and there. I'm going to go do the same thing on the other side. Now I have that side X. So copy that X number there. So now we're going to do this side on Y. So this right, no Y, right. So now I have my two X's and two Y's. I'll just add those numbers together and divide by 2. You can do the math any way you want to, as long as you come up with the correct answer. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure my numbers are right, but I'm going to check it. Go to MDI. So in MDI, I wrote a code line that's going to go to G54 work offset X0, Y0. And I'm going to run that. And that's pretty much the center of that.